Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all the best boiled corn recipe in the world. Now I thought I loved regular boiled corn, with the seasonings and aromatics, but with coconut milk and pigtail, the secret ingredient, you all are absolutely going to love this. And if you don't eat pigtail, you can use salted beef to substitute. So in my pot I put some oil, I'm sauteing some pimento peppers. And I'm also going to go in with some minced garlic. Allow that to saute about a minute. You don't want the garlic to burn. Now I'm using canned coconut milk for this, but if you have fresh coconut milk, you can use that also. I'm going to go in with 1 can of coconut milk, and I'm also adding in some green seasoning and some more water, but I'll wash out the can with some water and use that because we need extra to bring this up to a boil. I'm also going in with this citrus seasoning blend. It is absolutely amazing in this recipe. So I'm just going to give that a mix, and then I'll add in the extra water because we need enough water for the corn to boil. In goes some black pepper. Here goes in that water. And in goes in the pigtail. The pigtail was already boiled, pre-boiled, so you want to make sure you do that and then add in the corn. You do not want to add pigtail that has not been boiled before because it's going to be too salty. And I did not have to add any additional salt to this recipe because it was just perfect. You're going to put in your corn pieces and bring that up to a simmer and allow it to boil for about 10-15 minutes. The coconut water, if you want, or the coconut milk, sorry, if you want, you can boil this down until the coconut milk gets really thick, but I left it more of a runny consistency. So feel free to play around with the recipe, but I promise you all that this would be the best boiled corn you'll ever eat. I finished with some golden ray and I give that a mix. Please try it. Comment down below, let me know what you think. This was a recipe that was requested, by the way, and this is just my take on what the person described that they wanted. So I have to say, everyone that tasted it loved it. It was so amazing. I could have eaten the entire pot of corn. It was that good. The flavor from that pigtail flavored the corn so well. And remember, as I said, salted beef can be used here also, or maybe if you have salted turkey pieces or smoked turkey pieces. So try it, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.